3 essential vitamins seniors must take before bed to rebuild leg strength. As we age, many people assume weak legs and declining mobility are simply part of getting older. Doctors often attribute it to natural aging, but that isn't the full story. In fact, research reveals that leg weakness in seniors is often linked to silent nutritional deficiencies, not just age. The truth: a lack of 3 specific vitamins can quietly rob your legs of their strength, balance, and recovery. The surprising part is that these nutrients are affordable, natural, and backed by strong science, but because they're not highly profitable, you won't see them advertised or often recommended by physicians. Studies show that a deficiency in just one of these vitamins can triple your risk of falling after 60, slow muscle recovery by up to 37%, increase nighttime leg cramps by 42%. But here's the good news: when taken before bed, these vitamins sync with your body's natural repair cycle. Seniors who consistently use them report improved balance, stronger legs, fewer cramps, and faster recovery, sometimes within weeks. Let's dive into the top 3 vitamins every senior over 60 should consider taking at night to restore leg strength. 1. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. While many seniors have heard of vitamin B12, few realize how critical it is for leg strength, coordination, and nighttime recovery. B12 acts like the power line that allows your brain to communicate with your leg muscles. Without enough of it, nerve signals weaken, leading to imbalance, stiffness, and muscle loss. The problem is absorption. After age 60, your stomach produces less hydrochloric acid, making it harder to release B12 from food. This means even if you eat meat, fish, or eggs, your body may not extract enough of it. Bar graph key facts: up to 43% of adults over 60 have low or borderline B12 levels. Deficiency symptoms mimic Parkinson's or neuropathy, numbness, tingling, stiffness. A 2017 neurology study showed seniors with low B12 were 60% more likely to fall. Why take it before bed? During sleep, your nervous system runs deep repair cycles, healing nerve tissue and resetting muscle communication. Taking methylcobalamin B12, the active form, at night ensures your nerves receive exactly what they need at the right time. Best form: sublingual methylcobalamin dissolves under the tongue, bypassing digestion. Dosage: approximately 1000 mcg daily before bed. Results: many seniors report improved balance, stronger leg contractions, and reduced nighttime cramps within 2 to 6 weeks. 2. Vitamin D3, the muscle builder. Often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D3 is widely known for bone health, but its role in muscle strength and recovery is just as important. After age 60, your body's ability to synthesize D3 from sunlight drops by up to 75%. That's why more than 70% of seniors are deficient, even if they spend time outdoors. Without enough D3, muscle repair slows dramatically, leading to sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that first affects the legs, thighs, calves, and glutes. Bar graph key facts: D3 deficiency is directly linked to weaker legs and more frequent falls. A 2020 study found seniors who took D3 at night had 34% fewer falls, 19% stronger leg performance over 3 months. Why take it before bed? D3 activates muscle receptors and works best when growth hormone peaks during deep sleep. It also reduces nighttime inflammation, easing burning calves and aching thighs. Best form: vitamin D3 cholecalciferol, not D2. Dosage: 2000–4000 IU nightly, adjust based on blood tests. Absorption tip: take with a small healthy fat nuts, almond milk, or avocado. 3. Vitamin K2, the unsung hero. While vitamin K1 from leafy greens is known for blood clotting, vitamin K2 is far more powerful for seniors' leg health. K2 directs calcium to where it belongs, your bones and muscles, while preventing it from clogging arteries or stiffening joints. Without enough K2, calcium is misdirected, leading to weak bones, stiff muscles, and aching legs. Bar graph key facts: a 2021 nutrients study found seniors supplementing with K2 improved quadriceps strength by 21%, balance by 31% within 8 weeks. Works synergistically with vitamin D3 to prevent calcium misplacement. Why take it before bed? At night, your body rebuilds bones and muscles. K2 ensures calcium is sent to the right places, amplifying the benefits of D3 and supporting overnight glycogen energy replenishment in leg muscles. Best form: MK7, long-lasting, most absorbable. Dosage: 100 to 200 mcg nightly. Pro tip: always pair with vitamin D3 for maximum effect. The perfect nighttime routine for stronger legs. Here's how seniors can easily integrate these 3 vitamins into their bedtime ritual. 1. Vitamin B12 methylcobalamin, sublingual. Place under tongue approximately 30 minutes before bed. Take at least 2 hours after dinner for best absorption. 2. Vitamin D3 plus K2 MK7. Take together with a small healthy fat nuts, cheese, or almond butter. Ideal dose: 2000-4000 IU/D3 plus 100 to 200 mcg K2. 3. Consistency is key. Keep supplements near your toothbrush or bedside. Aim for nightly use to sync with your body's repair cycles. 3 extra habits that boost vitamin power. To maximize the benefits of B12, D3, and K2, pair them with these simple lifestyle tweaks. 1. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration reduces leg endurance by 14%. Sip water steadily throughout the day. 2. Keep dinner light. Heavy, starchy meals block nutrient absorption. Opt for lean protein plus veggies. 3. Gentle pre-bed movement. Light stretches, ankle circles, or heel raises boost circulation, helping vitamins reach leg muscles. Final thoughts. Leg weakness after 60 is not inevitable aging, it's often preventable. By adding vitamin B12, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2 into your nightly routine, you give your body the exact tools it needs to repair, strengthen, and protect your legs while you sleep. Strong legs mean more than mobility, they mean independence, confidence, and a better quality of life. Start tonight. B12 under the tongue. D3 plus K2 with a small snack. Let your body rebuild while you rest.